Hi, friend. Today we hill, volcano, hill, volcano. Uh-oh, it looks like these two sounds are having a disagreement over whether they're looking at a hill or a volcano. How will we be able to learn about these sounds if they're arguing? Help? Yeah, let's see if we can help. Come on. This symbol said the words hill and help. What sound do those words start with? Right. This is the symbol for the sound. Trace the shape of in the air with your finger while saying its sound. When we make the sound, the mouth is relaxed like a soft sigh. Air comes out of your mouth when you say. Try putting a hand in front of your mouth to feel the air as you say the sound. Hill is a word that begins with h. So are hippo and hairdryer. Can you think of any other words that begin with the h sound? Pause here to come up with some. What words did you come up with? Great job! Over here, we have another symbol. Who said the word volcano? What sound do you hear at the beginning of volcano? V. Right. To make the V sound, put your top teeth on your bottom lip. Turn on your voice and blow air. V. Feel the buzz? That's the V sound. Try it with me. V. Very good. Use your finger to trace the shape of V in the air as you say the sound. We know volcano begins with V, but what other words begin with the V sound? Let's see. Vest and violin begin with the V sound. Pause and come up with some words of your own that begin with the V sound. What words did you come up with? Very nice. And V were disagreeing because thought this was a hill and V thought it was a volcano. What do you think, friend? It actually looks like a mountain to me. What sound does mountain start with? Right. Ooh, maybe we should hike up a mountain while we're here on vacation. Vacation? Yes, we're on vacation here in Soundtown. Hotel! Yes, I am staying at the hotel. I have an idea! Let's head inside the hotel and see if we can find any words that begin with the and V sounds. Do you see anything that begins with I see a hat, a hammer, and a hose. What about words that start with V? I see a vacuum, a vase, and a van. Wow! Today we learned all about the sounds h and V, and we helped them solve their argument. Check out the PDF for activities that will help you practice more, because the next time we're together, we'll review all of the sounds we've learned so far. I can't wait to see how much you know. Until then, friend, always be clever. Hey!